So now in order to install the gimmick plugin in Affinity, so the first thing we need to do is to go to Edit, and then select Settings, click. So now let's go down to the Photoshop plugins, left click on it. So now I'm going to open the default folder in Explorer, click on this icon here, so here it is, click on it. So now it will open the plugins folder in the Affinity folder, so here it is. So now we need to download the gimmick plugin. So this is the gimmick page. So now let's go to the download here. I'm going to left click. So now I'm just going to scroll down. So this is the one we want. So as you can see, gimmick plugin for Photoshop, Affinity, Paint Shop, Photoline, and Accent View. So I'm going to download the Windows one, the stable, the zip archive, the stable. I'm going to click on it. So now as you can see, it will open a GitHub tab. So now I'm just going to scroll down. So now you just need to download one of these. So I'm going to download, for example, this one here. This is the one I downloaded, gimmick plugin for 64. So this is going to depend on your system. So I'm going to download this one here. I have already downloaded this page here. I'll put the link of this page. This will show you how to install the plugin. So on Photoshop. So this is the Affinity installation. So here it is. So you can also just click here. As you can see, general instructions, table of contents. I'm going just to click installation for Affinity Photo. So here it is. So now let's go back to our folders. So this is the folder we opened from the Affinity, from here, from the open default folder. So this is the one we opened. So as you can see, it is on plugins. So now for the gimmick plugin, I have already downloaded. So as you can see, it is in a zip file. You will need to extract it using WinRAR. So here's the file. So I'm just going to double click. So here are the files. So I'm just going to copy these two, the gimmick folder and the gimmick plugin .8bf. So I'm not going to copy these document text here. I'm just going to copy these two. So now Control C to copy. So now let's go to the Affinity plugin folder. So here it is. I'm just going to click here and then Control V to paste the gimmick files. So here it is. So now there's still one step. Let's go to Affinity. Make sure to check the allow unknown plugins to be used. Check it. And then I'm just going to click on the X here to exit. You will find the gimmick plugin in Pixel, Filters, and then Plugins. So as you can see here, we don't have anything. So now I'm just going to exit and then reopen it again. So here it is. Now I opened Affinity again. So now let's go to the Pixel tab here and then go to Filters and then select Plugins. So here it is, Gimmick, and then just select Gimmick Qt. So here it is. So as you can see, there are many filters here. So now let's select, for example, arrays. There are over 500, I think, filters. So colors. So I'm just going to select the black and white. And then here you can, for example, change the settings. You can reset here the settings. So now if you want, for example, to keep this one here, you can click apply. Click apply. So as you can see, it applied the effect. And now let's say, for example, I'm going to add another effect. I'm going to go to the artistic tab. So let's select the brushify. So it doesn't look good. I'm just going to select cubism. So I'm just going to leave it here. So now I'm just going to click apply. And now once you're done, just click OK to confirm. So now here it is. So now, for example, if you want to remove the plugin, just in case, just go back to the plugins tab here and then just delete these two files here, the gimmick folder and the gimmick plugin file.